Hello everyone, welcome to this quick demo where I will show you a Mule app that is based on MuleChain, which has been deployed for ServiceNow on my local machine. This demo is very similar to the app or agent that has been deployed for Jira that is also based on MuleChain. Alright, let us dive right into the incident module and take a look at one of the incidents by creating a new one. For the short description, we type in the following: high CPU usage in main Chrome process after some usage. For the description, we copy-paste in the following. In a nutshell, the customer CPU usage is going through the roof by using Chrome, which is not an uncommon sight. Now let us submit this incident and quickly reselect the newly created incident. And after a while, we can see that the AI agent has analyzed it in the background and summarized the provided information, stating the customer is experiencing high CPU usage from the main Chrome process after recent updates, which is slowing down their computer and not resolved by restarting Chrome or the system. And on top of that, it has also directly provided some additional steps to troubleshoot the declared problem by stating, investigate the issue to identify the cause of high CPU usage, and also check for any available updates or patches that might resolve the issue. The overall sentiment has also been marked as negative. Now, what's really cool here is that we can provide additional information as the system administrator by, for instance, stating, looks like Chrome is struggling with Visual Studio Code. We suggest to run Visual Studio Code as a desktop version and not as browser. By hitting post, the AI agent will then enrich the previous context with the most recently provided information and regenerate or update the AI summary and suggest the next steps in real time, as you just have seen. And as you can now see, it suggests guide the customer to switch to the desktop version of Visual Studio Code and also monitor the customer situation to confirm if the suggested solution resolves the high CPU usage issue. So that's a wrap for the demo. Even though it might have looked super fancy, the underlying implementation is quite easy and overseeable. Let me show you that in Anypoint Studio. What we have here is a flow with a referenced subflow for clarity and comprehensibility. So we start with the ServiceNow connector, which triggers the flow whenever an incident record gets created or updated in ServiceNow. Once we get the payload, we first extract some essential information and fill them into a prompt template for the subsequent AI-related processors. With the help of the object store and the choice router, we then make sure that we don't end up in an endless loop of repetitive calls to the flow. Now, in the scatter-gather router is where the heart and soul of this Mule application lies. We use the MuleChain module to, on one hand, summarize and provide next steps regarding the incident, and on the other hand, determine the overall sentiment of the incident, which in most cases are negative, as we are dealing with the inherent nature of incidents. Moving into the subflow below, we prepare the updated incident as a Java object in an XML format and send it back to ServiceNow, where it will automatically refresh itself in the ServiceNow UI, as we have previously seen. So that's all I have for today. Thank you very much and see you soon.